My dear honey, I would like some water, so please pass it to me now.
Honey? I'm feeling really thirsty right now, so could you please pass me the water bottle?
Double kill! How dare you strike me like that? Now get out of my way immediately!
How could you possibly hit me like that? Get out of here! Now let's quickly work together to help him clean up the entire room.
How truly pitiful the situation is. I'll promptly assist him in cleaning the room thoroughly. Then I'll repair the roof to ensure it is safe and sturdy. Additionally, I'll lend a hand to the young lady with her roof as well, so she won't have to worry about unpleasant leaks. Lastly, I'll help her select and acquire all new furniture, which would be absolutely fantastic for her home.
Finally, I will assist the young lady in selecting all new furniture for her space. Ah, wow, this is truly amazing. The light in here is lovely.